Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Teleparty, how to use. So in today's video, I will teach how to use a teleparty. So the first thing you need to do if you want to use a of course, download the teleparty. It just be easy. Just type in teleparty in the browser right here. Teleparty, I got teleparty. Then click on that. After clicking on it, and just get Teleparty or install Teleparty. It will go directly to your browser right here. And once you downloaded it, go here and then this is a quick tip for you guys. So you don't have to clicking on this one. Gonna start up Teleparty. Just click on pin. There you go. So right now, once you're here in the Netflix, here, just open up a Netflix or maybe Premium Video, Disney Plus, Peacock, or ESPN. Just open up any of those websites. Oh wait, before you forgot, I made separate videos about the ESPN, the Peacock. You can open it if you don't have a premium. If you want to check that out, you can check that out. But right now, we're gonna teach you how to use the Teleparty. So right here. So to start a Teleparty video, first you need to do is choose a video here. So let's try choose Bad Boys. I go resume. Then once you're here, start right here. Once you're here, once you click on this part here, Teleparty, you can start the party. There you go. Click on start the party. After clicking on start the party, you will see this HTTP www. Just click on that. Once you click on that, as you can see, it's been copied. Then the person that you need to send this to is for the person that already has a Teleparty. Because if they don't, if you send this to them, they have to download the Teleparty. But it's okay either way. So there you go. Then they just need to paste it. And once they paste it, there you go. Then click the join the party. Once they click the join the party, they'll be headed right here. Chat. So how to use this? So how to use this? You will watch the movie at the same time, and you will. But the only thing is, for example, you change the volume to your movie, it won't affect them once you change the volume to your movie. If you add subtitles, it won't affect them. But if you play the movie, it will affect them. As you can see, pause the video, or if you try to skip a movie, as you can see, jump to 011. If you skip back, it will also jump to 011. As you can see, sometimes you skip. There you go. Skip. There you go. You see there. There you go. And thing here you can do is react. Once you react, it will show the screen. Here are all the reactions. And also you can do chats here. Hello, hi, like that, something like that. You can also put gifs, and the gifs, as you can see, is automatically on Bad Boys. Or for example, you're watching a Avengers movie, it's gonna be the gifs are automatically be Avengers movie, or you can choose a gift that you want right here. There you go. And you can also enable voice, and we can also enable video if you want to. And there you go. Alright, okay. Here are all the reactions that we can add. There you go. And a quick tip for you guys: if you want it full screen, just click on the full screen on the website, and then to remove this thing right here, this like blockage thing, click on here, close the chat. There you go. Now it's closed the chat. If you do that, there you go. It disappears. So if you just leave your mouse, don't move your mouse, it will this part will disappear. Watch. There you go, disappeared. So to open it back again, click on show chat, and there. And if you want the link, just click here, copy the link, and give it to a friend and let them join. And here's the edit profile. So here are the profiles you want to edit from, but here are the premium stuff. You can use that because you're not on premium. But if you're in premium, you're lucky you can choose any of those. So there you go, guys. And there. Yeah, that's about it. So hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: if you want to leave the party, if you're done watching, you can just click X. But if you want, you can just do the leave party. Leave party right here. Then click on leave party. There you go. you left the party. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.